Hello everyone. Discover the joy of flight with our drone. It's not just about navigating the skies, it's an invitation to unfold your aerial journey. Simple controls, pure excitement. This isn't just a drone, it's your initiation into a world of airborne possibilities. Take the leap, embrace the learning curve, and let every flight be a chapter in your adventure. With our beginner-friendly drone, the sky is not the limit, it's where your exploration begins. In this video, we're going to be checking out top 5 best beginner drone with camera under $100. I made this list based on my personal opinions in our research, and I've listed them based on quality, features, and I've included options every type of consumer. So whether you're looking for best drone for beginner, have the products for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Fifth product on my list, Miniso Tesla Original Drone. The Miniso Tesla 8K GPS Professional Dual Camera HD Photography Drone. 8K HD Aerial Photography. Elevate your photography game with the drone's cutting-edge 8K HD camera. Capture stunning aerial photos and videos, bringing your creativity to new heights. Remote Control Helicopter. Take full command from a distance with the included Remote Control Helicopter. Seamlessly control every move and capture the perfect shot with precision. 5,000 meters distance. Unleash the potential of exploration. Fly the drone up to 5,000 meters away from the controller, giving you an extensive range for limitless possibilities and breathtaking views. Obstacle avoidance. Navigate with confidence. Our drone comes equipped with sensors for omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, ensuring a safer flight experience in diverse environments. Fly worry-free, as the drone automatically detects obstacles and steers clear. 3-sided obstacle avoidance. Experience worry-free flight with the drone's ability to automatically detect surrounding obstacles in 3 directions. No more collisions, scratches, or crash damage. Enjoy the freedom to fly more confidently and freely. Excellent hardware configuration. The flagship True HD experience. Equipped with a large-inch sensor featuring a larger aperture, the drone delivers rich details and delicate picture quality. Conquer various light environments with superior imaging performance. Unlock the skies and explore the world from a whole new perspective with the Miniso Tesla Original Drone. Elevate your aerial photography game and soar into worry-free flights with obstacle avoidance technology. Fourth product on my list, Miniso P14 Triple Camera Drone. The Miniso P14 Triple Camera Drone, an epitome of innovation, style, and exceptional aerial capabilities. Body battery, powered by a robust 3.7-volt 2000 mAh lithium battery, providing an impressive flight time of about 25 minutes. Spend more time in the air capturing breathtaking moments. Charging time. Quick turnaround with a charging time of approximately 60 minutes, ensuring you're always ready for the next adventure. Product size. Compact and versatile, the drone expands to 23 by 23 by 7 centimeters and collapses to a portable 9 by 13 by 7 centimeters, making it your perfect travel companion. Picture transmission distance. Seamlessly transmit images within a range of 15 to 30 meters, ensuring you never miss a moment. Features galore. From forward and backward movement to left and right turns, fuselage folding, fixed height hover, and intelligent obstacle avoidance, the Miniso P14 is packed with features. Colors. Available in 3 stunning shades, dark blue, orange, and gray, ensuring you fly in style and make a statement. The Miniso P14 Triple Camera Drone is not just a device, it's an experience. Immerse yourself in the world of aerial photography and exploration with a drone that combines style, functionality, and cutting-edge technology. Third product on my list, Mijia S2S Mini Drone. The Mijia S2S Mini Drone, a compact marvel packed with features for an exceptional aerial photography experience. Camera brilliance. Capture stunning moments with the choice of 8K, 6K, 4K HD camera options. The wide-angle 6K front lens with high-definition Wi-Fi and optical flow positioning for the bottom lens ensures versatile camera angles and stable flight. Remote control. The drone is controlled via a separate remote control powered by AA batteries. Enjoy a control distance of up to 100 meters with free interference and no occlusion. Extended flight time. Powered by a smart lithium battery, 3.7-volt 2000 mAh, the Mijia S2S boasts an impressive flight time of about 25 minutes. Charge up quickly with just 1 hour of charging time via USB 5-volt. Compact design. Foldable and lightweight, the drone measures 12 by 8*4 cm when folded and 17 by 13 by 4 centimeters when open. With a takeoff weight of 174 grams, it navigates around national aviation control regulations in some countries. Wireless connectivity. Utilize 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology for stable flight control, supported by a 6-axis gyroscope for enhanced stability and precise control. Smart features. Enjoy height fixing, optical flow positioning, and fixed-point functions for stable flights. The drone allows customization of flight routes through an app, hand gesture photography, one-button return, headless mode, and various flight directions. The Mijia S2S mini drone combines cutting-edge technology with a user-friendly design, offering an unparalleled aerial photography experience. Second product on my list, Lenovo XD1 Original Drone. The Lenovo XD1 Original Drone, a game-changer in the world of aerial photography. The Lenovo XD1, the ultimate 8K 5G GPS professional HD aerial photography quadrotor. This sleek and powerful drone is packed with features that will elevate your drone experience to new heights. The XD1 is equipped with an intelligent lithium battery boasting a capacity of 3.7-volt 2200 mAh, providing an incredible flight time of approximately 40 minutes. And guess what? It only takes about an hour to charge it fully. That means less time waiting and more time capturing breathtaking footage. This drone is compact and portable, with dimensions of 12.5 by 8 by 5.5 centimeters when folded and a mere 25 by 20 by 5.5 centimeters when open. With a takeoff weight of just 132 grams, this drone is a true lightweight champion. Camera capabilities. But the real magic happens with its camera capabilities. Feast your eyes on the 8K HD camera with a 90-degree adjustable lens. Whether you're into photography or videography, the XD1 has got you covered. With a video resolution of 3840*2160 pixel and photo resolution of 7680*4320 pixel, every detail will be captured in stunning clarity. Controlling the XD1 is a breeze with the app. It offers mobile phone control, one-key return, headless mode, and seamless control in all directions. But that's not all. Gesture photography, optical flow positioning, brushless motor, and super long battery life make this drone a cut above the rest. The XD1 features a brushless motor for stronger power and a longer service life. With 5 GHz anti-interference technology and a 6-axis gyroscope, your flight will be stable and controlled. And get this, 720-degree omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Say goodbye to collisions and fly with confidence. The Lenovo XD1 Original Drone, your ticket to breathtaking aerial photography. First product on my list, Lenovo P14 GPS Drone. The Lenovo P14 GPS Drone, a professional quadcopter designed to take your photography and videography skills to the next level. The P14 is equipped with a powerful wide-angle 8K high-definition Wi-Fi front lens and an optical flow high-definition lens at the bottom. With servo gimbal design and EIS electronic anti-shake, your footage will be smoother and clearer than ever before. The P14 features altitude fixing mode, optical flow positioning, and fixed-point function, ensuring stable flight even in challenging conditions. The Lenovo P14 boasts an ultra-long battery life powered by a 3.7-volt 3000 mAh lithium-ion battery, giving you approximately 35 minutes of flight time. Plus, customize your flight route effortlessly with the dedicated app. The P14 comes equipped with 540-degree all-round obstacle avoidance. Say goodbye to crashes and fly with confidence, even in tight spaces. Take control like never before with the app. Enjoy mobile phone control, one-key return, headless mode, and seamless control in all directions. With gesture camera capabilities, optical flow positioning, and obstacle avoidance gimbal components, the P14 is packed with advanced features for an unparalleled flying experience. The product is light in size and weight, which can avoid aviation control.